In this video, I'm going to show you how you can brand yourself by using Pixteller by creating really basic thumbnails and more things as well. I'm going to be doing some videos over Pixteller and showcasing the actually nice design platform for beginners. It's really good for beginners. You can do a lot of things with this, and we're going to start out with thumbnails in this video. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video because this is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. And this video is going to be all about really branding yourself by using thumbnails of Pixteller. Now, right below this video, you can get a membership of Pixteller, and you want to be a Pixteller Pro member because you can utilize this whole entire platform unlimited. So let me go ahead and let's start out with the thumbnails. Now, when you log into Pixteller, we're going to go right to thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. We will go over some of these other things here in future videos, but we're going to focus on thumbnails. Now, the first thing you do is go to thumbnails. Then the next thing is we're going to create a thumbnail from scratch. Now, you can start out with these thumbnails that's already designed for you already. So you can actually click on one of these. So for an example, if I click on my channel one, you can actually edit this thumbnail already. You can change the text, you can change the color. I'm just showing you that you can start out with a thumbnail that's already pre-done and just make minor changes on there. But this video is about starting from scratch. Like, I'm going to start from scratch. I don't really like any of these, or I prefer to start brand new. So we're going to start right there when it says create a thumbnail. Now, the first thing, let me move this here. Move this here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So the first thing you will want to do is, okay, so what is our design going to look like in terms of a thumbnail? Now, you can come here and change the color that says BG. If I wanted to change it to green, or if I wanted to change it to orange, it's that simple. Now, on the color here, this solid color is going to cover the whole entire thumbnail. Now, if I want to go linear, I can actually split it in half. You know, see that? I can actually just change this color to a different one. So if I want to say I want to go to the yellow, I can actually change that. So that here basically makes it the design a little bit more, guys, it gives a little bit more different, a different touch to it. And so if I want to go there, I change this, I can go back to white, and I can kind of mess around with this. I can go up, down, or actually it's across, or I can move this over if I wanted to, just kind of give it a different look. Now, radial is kind of more of a, definitely kind of more of a showcase spotlight type of thumbnail in terms of the color. I don't really use this as much as really. I usually try to use maybe solid or linear if I'm doing a thumbnail, but you can use this as well. All of it's really good features of the actually platform. Pixteller is really easy to use, and I think it's great for beginners. I really do. So plus, okay. The next thing is that, okay, what next spot I want to use? Now, you could add an image. The next spot is adding the image. If you want to add an image, you can add your own self on here. Now, one thing I will tell you, if you go to remove.bg, and I'll do this in a future video, you can remove the background. You got remove.bg, you can remove the background when you're doing an actual photo. But since I already have one that's already pre-done, I'm going to go one that's already done like that before. Where is it? And voila. You see that? Bam. So I had it already set up. And how you remove the background of photo, you just go to your photo here, click on upload. Let's say I wanted to take this out. You see this? Remove. That's simple. That's simple. You see that? How simple and easy and quick that was? So this was the original, and this is the remove background. That's simple. I will have remove.bg in the description box as well as pixteller.com as well, if you can start a membership with Pixteller. So that's simple and really easy. That's what I use to remove the background. There's another program that I'll also use, but I want to show you this one because it's really more simple and really more easy. So that's how you do a photo there. So if I want to do a color, and it's here, you can make this bigger if I wanted to. So I want my face bigger. So let's go with that. So I'm gonna make this bigger. Boom. And so the next thing is, let's go ahead and add some text. Add some text here. So it says write text. It's very simple. You see how easy and simple this is? Text right here. And remember, this is just a basic thumbnail. We'll get to more advanced thumbnails in future videos, but this is just basic thumbnail. So if I want to say, make money, or if I want to say take action, right? So let's say my thumbnail's all about taking action. I can move this over here. I also can change my font. So I can go to Adam Pro, or something like that. It's pretty cool, Adam Pro. And we'll just use that for now. And let's see, we'll go there, and let's go there. They take action. All right. And then here you can kind of, adjust it some. And let's see, make this bigger. Just kind of play around with it. This is just a basic thumbnail, kind of just playing around with this. And if you can go to filter, if you can do some other things with it as well. You can change the border. So basically I can make this, let's see, make this white if I wanted to. See that? See how cool that is? Look at that. Pretty cool, right? Can kind of stand out a little bit. Also, I can do my photo like this as well. Just go to filter, let me see, filter and effect, go to border. And let's say I want this to be white. I could change this to white. So I can have a white border as well. See that? Pretty cool, right? Pretty cool. And then I can make this a little bit bigger. Let's go to 250. Adjust the size like so. And take action. And then look at that's pretty cool. Kind of stands out. I could do some other things. I can do like an underline if an underline works. Let's see if underline. Let's see. Just making that a little bit bigger. See that? Take action. So pretty cool, huh? So look at that. So basically, this is kind of a basic thumbnail. Nothing really spectacular. Just with the image. Remember, I use remove.bg to remove the background from any picture. Remember, I use that. I have that below the video in the description box. And I really just use the color. I can change the color again. Remember, use orange. I can go right there, edit, change color. I go to blue. And a very simple, I can go to gold. Any of these colors there. I can go back to solid. If I just want a solid color, I can go to linear, or I can go to radial. And you use that as well. That actually looks pretty cool. Kind of stands out. And then look at this. I can kind of adjust this a little bit. Let's say I want to highlight this part there. Take action. So look at that. I'll take that back. Actually, this looks pretty cool. Kind of highlights the take action. It's like in a spotlight. Like a spotlight lit away. Look how big that spotlight is. Boom. Boom. I like that. Take action, baby. I want you to take action and click on the links below. Sign up for Pixteller today for this beginner way of building really nice branded thumbnails on your YouTube videos. And the good thing about Pixteller, it already has the specs already for YouTube thumbnails. Also use remove.bg to remove the background of your actual photo, excuse me, and get started. Make some really cool thumbnails. It's very simple, very easy. If you need to, watch this video again, over and over again, just basic stuff. Remember, I'm gonna come out with some other videos a little bit more advanced. So I wanna start from the beginning. So my name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Take action, just like this thumbnail just said, and I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, because this is the place to be, to grow your brand and to grow your bank account, and I'll see you on the next video.